Jingle bell.
Good morning, y'all. What is going on? It is day 2 of Vlogmas, and it's Vlogmas, Vlogcember, whatever you want to call it, same thing. I'm here at home. I don't have class on Friday. I was actually watching some Vlogmas videos that are already posted. I just have a couple people that I have subscribed, like Natural Nisi, Petite Sue. I have some other ones that some other people that I'm subscribed to that I'm gonna go watch later. But I just got back home. I was on the road because I went to the doctor, and I'm about to do a facial because your girl has been neglecting her face. So yeah, your girl's face was getting so clear, and see, this is what happened. This is what happened when you get too comfortable. So my skin was getting really clear, and I got too comfortable and I stopped doing what I was doing. So now I'm slowly like starting to break out. And I have this really bad habit of picking my face. So I picked my face right here, and I got a little scar. So yeah, you don't want, when they say don't pick your face, don't pick your face. I just bought this black charcoal facial mask that I'm gonna try out. Okay, the smell of that product, this is the first time I'm ever trying that product. It smells, I want to say it smells good, but it also almost smells like rubbing alcohol. And my face right now, I don't know if it's burning or if it feels cool. It's like a really cool sensation, but I almost feel like it's burning. But it doesn't feel like it's burning. It feels cool, if that makes sense. That sounds so confusing, but this is my first time trying it. I'm gonna see how it goes, because usually after the first or second try I can kind of say, okay, yeah, I'm feeling this product, yeah, I'm like, no, I'm not feeling it. So we'll see how this goes. I need to go and wash my hair, because before I apply the hair mayonnaise to my hair, I gotta wash my hair. So I'm gonna go wash my hair right now, and I'll let you guys know how this facial mask goes when it's dry. Okay, it's been like 15 minutes. My face is so stiff. Like, it's actually so stiff. I'm gonna start to peel it off. Some of the edges are already starting to peel. Okay, that didn't hurt. Like an idiot. My sideburns, it's in my sideburns. That's what freaking hurts. And I don't want to rip my sideburns out. Ouch. Oh boy. Ow. Can definitely see my whiteheads. I have a lot of like whiteheads on my chin, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is definitely not something I would do every day. I'd probably do it like once a week. Definitely hurts. You can like see some right there. So that really hurt. Definitely, because I have sensitive skin, that's one of those masks I gotta do like once a week, because yeah, I need to see throughout the day how my skin is feeling and reacting, because that freaking really hurt. But it did help to get some of my whiteheads out, especially down here, because I have a lot of whiteheads down here, so I can definitely see the whiteheads on there. Obviously can't see the blackheads, but so far so good, I guess. I'm gonna have to use it one more time and really see if I like it or not. The only thing I don't like is there's not that much product in it. It's like, it feels so little. Like, I feel like it's almost done already. Huh? Or down? Down. We about to check Shauna Banana. Keisha just got her hair did. She's freezing in her little pony jacket. The jacket's so cute though. But we just got to Shauna's place, so we're about to go over there. Today's actually not that bad outside. It's actually pretty Pretty nice, taking in that it is winter time, but it's G. See now it's winter time. It's pretty nice outside. I'm shocked. Like I'm in my man's not hot jacket, but it's pretty nice outside. But yeah, we're gonna cook food right now. Fried chicken, rice. So how I hate being cold. Like, I'd rather be in my big jacket than a small jacket. Yeah, come. But yeah, I was just telling Keisha that sometimes I hate vlogging because people just watch you like you're crazy. Like, why is this girl talking to the camera? But I need to get used to it. I do the same damn thing in Jamaica. I'm just gonna say hi whenever they stare at me. That's what I'm gonna do. My hands are cold though. Are you back? So finally made to shot of bananas. Hello, see jelly.
You're so adorable.
So anyways, we're about to put up a Christmas tree. Well, this is Shauna's Christmas tree, not our Christmas tree. Anyways, we're about to cook some fried chicken. I have a quiz I need to do that's due. I have no motivation. Like, I don't even want to do it, but I have to do it. Because if I don't do it, then it's just going to mess up my mark.
Bro, you just got a 5-week vacation. Don't be lazy.
I'd rather me not get the 5-week vacation and had did like what I was supposed to do with the due dates that I had instead of being rushed right now. Robert, are you jealous? I'm sad. Open the tree. Oh my god.
Oh, that hurts.
Oh my bad. I forgot. Sorry.
Girl.
I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'll try to wipe off the makeup.
You just jiggle up my dumb baby.
I'm so sorry. Oh my god. I actually forgot.
Guess who's not babysitting Jellybean? Okay guys, so I wasn't able to record as I was doing this, but this is my fried chicken. I lightly season it with some seasoning salt and some black pepper. I don't put too much seasoning because some of the seasoning is gonna burn off in the pot anyways. And then over here we have flour, and I put some baking soda in it just so that it could be more fluffier and more crispy. And I also season the flour because the seasoning will stay in the flour. And I put some more seasoned salt and some black pepper and a little bit of seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, sorry. And then over here in the pot, don't watch the white marks because my water's stained because I just washed the pot. But I'm frying the chicken on 6 because you want to make sure the inside is cooked. If you put the stove too high, then outside's going to get too brown and the inside's not going to be cooked.
No, that's not even a Christmas song.
That's Mariah Carey's Christmas song.
That didn't even sound like it. How would you know?
Ears. So when decorating a Christmas tree, take the bundles of light and wrap tightly around the tree.
I got you, Shauna.
What is it?
This trap music. Dancer one.
I'm about to say you would never see her one.
Shauna and her bun-up chicken.
What up, your pony?
I'm joking.
Anyways, guys, yeah, so you see these black dots like these? That is from the seasoning, and it's okay because would you rather have white chicken, clean looking chicken, or flavorful chicken? And sometimes when you fry the chicken, if you're not too sure if the inside is cooked or not, don't be scared to throw it in the oven for an extra 10 minutes. It's just gonna cook it better.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Just Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw, you would even Christmas
nap when it's Christmas time. This is so pretty. That's, I can see you now. Say hi. I said say hi.
Hi.
Why Chilla acting shy?
Chilla say hi. Camera see you.
Big up Lauren. Yo Ziggy, you ever tell Lauren when the long ass voice note was like a minute long.
Voice note.
There was like 2 times. The first time when I met Ziggy, and you sent me 2 voice note. I was telling Ziggy, I'm like, remember when Pranga was trying to put in the word for you? So yo guys, this is the guy that, you know, try to put in the word for me and Ziggy. Big up Lauren. Ziggy was too scared to put in the words, you know, so his friend had to put it in for him.
Yeah, you're sweet, you know my old.
Stop it!
Fuck.
Thank you. You're sweet too.
Sometimes.
I know, sometimes you're well ugly. Like when you just wake up.
Kugum. Blood clot.
That's why I'm gonna stop smiling, you know. So guys, Vlogcember day 2 is officially complete. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Hopefully I can keep up with this because I feel like vlogging every day is gonna be super hard. But we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, you know, I can actually keep up with it. I hope now you guys understand why I say that I do not vlog in Canada, because I don't really do much. I don't do anything. And like, to me, my vlogs are boring. But if you guys are enjoying them, hey, why not? I'll continue uploading them. I guess I'll see you guys. Ooh, quick update. Earlier I said I went to the doctor. The reason I went to the doctor was to check my eye. And of course, it's confirmed that I have a sty. So all I gotta do is keep adding warm compressed to my eye and it will go down. It can take weeks, it can take months, but I just gotta keep adding the compressed water. But anyways guys, I'll see you guys in Vlogcember day 3. Bye!